Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to clear cookies on Firestick. Let's go. Open Settings. Applications. Silk Browser. Privacy and Security. Clear browsing data. If you need to clear the application cache, then Manage Installed Applications. Choose App, press Rewind button. Confirm. That's it. Now you know how to clear cookies on Firestick. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.